What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today we're going to give you some last-minute turkey tips that you might just need to save the day on Thanksgiving. I know we're cutting it down to the wire here, but I thought, hey, why not just give a few tips to my viewers and to anyone that might be saying, oh, they asked me to cook the turkey, and I said yes. What do I do? Well, what you need to do is perhaps maybe go out and get yourself a brine kit. If you can get this locally, Lane's makes a really good brine kit. If you can't get a brine kit, just put you about a cup of salt into a couple gallons of water, soak it for 3 to 6 hours, pull it out, good to go. If you don't want to do that, you can get you some of this Tony Chachere's injectable butters. They've got several different flavors. Inject until the bottle is empty and season and smoke. When you are smoking, make sure that you've got either a pin thermometer, a leave-in wired thermometer, or a wireless Bluetooth thermometer. Stick that into the turkey breast. Don't worry about nothing else. Stick it into the breast and get ready to pull when you start to see the number 160. It's going to cook on over to about 165. If you're really picky about microbes and germs and things, you want to be super careful. Just let it cook all the way up to 165, then pull it. But you are at just a little bit more risk of drying it out, so be careful with that. If you want more smoke flavor on your turkey, get yourself a smoke tube. You can throw you some pellets and some wood chips in there while you're smoking your turkey. It's going to put a lot more smoke flavor onto the bird, give you that more traditional smoked turkey flavor. So besides that, one of the best things that you can do with your turkey is the day before you're ready to cook it, to get it out of its wrapping, dry it off with paper towels, nice and dry. Put some salt on it, rub salt all over it, about as much as you think it will need to season it, and then put it in the fridge overnight to air dry. The salt is going to penetrate into the skin. It's going to pull moisture out of the skin. The air flowing through the refrigerator is going to dry that skin out, and it's going to help you to get a thinner, crispier bite through on your turkey skin whenever you pull it out of the smoker at the end of the day. Once you've got it into the smoker and you're starting to come up in temp, you get up to around 130, 135. For the last couple hours of the cook, about every 30 or 45 minutes, you want to have some melted butter. You can add in a little bit of the seasoning that you put on the bird into that butter and put that butter all over the turkey skin. And what that's going to do is going to help that skin to thin out and have a better bite. And that's pretty much, if you follow those tips, you pull at 165, you get a little extra moisture into it, you get a little extra smoke on the outside, and then you baste with butter. And don't forget to let it rest under a full tent for about 15 to 30 minutes before you serve. You're gonna be fine. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, a great holiday season. Maybe you're doing this for Christmas. Hope you have a Merry Christmas, whatever. Maybe you're doing it for Easter. Maybe you just like turkey. I don't know. Maybe just cooking a turkey, man. Good for you. Get you a whole turkey, sit down, eat the whole daggone thing. That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, thanks for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see you guys in the next video.